Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your carrier supports eSIM for the Samsung S23. This matters because the phone must accept a carrier profile. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and sign into your Samsung account to sync settings. Next, locate the carrier's activation method, QR code, numeric activation code, or the carrier's app. Start the phone's Settings app, then tap Connections. This is where you add mobile plans. Do this now so you can scan or enter details in the next step. You'll add the eSIM by going to Settings, right arrow Connections, right arrow SIM Card Manager, then selecting Add Mobile Plan. This triggers the scanner or manual entry. Scan the carrier QR code or type the provided activation code. Make sure you allow any permission prompts and keep Wi-Fi connected. After the profile downloads, follow on-screen instructions to name the plan and choose whether it's your primary data or voice line. Once configured, verify signal and test a call or mobile data session to confirm activation. You finish by restarting the S23 to ensure the new eSIM profile initializes cleanly. After reboot, check network bars and run a quick browser load or call. If the plan fails to connect, toggle airplane mode, rescan the QR code, or remove and re-add the eSIM profile. These steps clear provisioning glitches. If problems persist, contact your carrier with the device IMEI and eSIM activation details. Remember, eSIM can coexist with a physical SIM. Choose data and voice priorities in SIM Manager to avoid conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.